Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find coupons in the Domino's application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on profile. And you can see that right now we are in the personal information section, and up there you can just press on the gift symbol, and here you will be able to find all of your coupons. Now in my case I don't have any coupons available. That is partly the reason because I am a new user in this application and I didn't really use this before. But if you are a regular user and you have at least one coupon, you will be able to check them out here. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.